जय जय सद्गुरु श्री शेषाद्रि सद्गुरु करुणा सागरम शांतम अरुणाचल वासिनम श्री शेषाद्रि गुरु मंदे ब्रह्मेभूतम तपोनिधम. Guruji's entry into my life was not a coincidence. It was destined to happen. In 2006, till 2006, I was riding a high plane or a high flight in my job because I was doing extremely well. And what happened was, suddenly in the month of June, I faced a lot of turbulence in my career, as a result of which I lost my job because a bigger company took over my company. I was not prepared for it. Just a month before only, me and my wife, we conducted the Upanayam ceremony of our sons in a very grand manner, and for which I had taken a personal loan over and above an existing housing loan, because I was sure that I will repay off very soon. Now when this happened, suddenly in the wind of turbulence, I started not only fastening my seat belt, but also started praying very hard so that at least the aircraft lands safely. The aircraft as in me. I don't have to nosedive, but I had to land safely. So I started praying, and luckily in the interim period, coincidentally, my wife came to know about Guruji KVLN Sharma through her own father, who was based in Chennai, because he had recently visited Guruji for his own astrological consultancy, and he highly recommended that Guruji should be met. So my wife, in her scheduled visit, immediately met up with Guruji and took consultancy of him. She was so impressed and happy with the whole proceedings and the way it was conducted that she was very satisfied and peaceful at the end of the day. So she wanted me and my son's astrology also to be read, which Guruji said he is coming to Mumbai very soon, within a couple of weeks, and he will do the consultancy. So we meet with an appointed time, and after having spread my details to Guruji, when he analyzed it, he said, it's a comma, not a full stop. It's a hiccup, so don't worry. You have to weather the storm. Just intensify your prayers. Concentrate on Lord Dakshinamurti and Lord Anjaneya on Thursdays and Saturdays respectively. Intensify your prayers, and you will very soon get a job. Not only he said that, I was shocked and surprised when he said, on so and so month, on so and so date, and so time, you will give me good news. I was taken aback. How can he be so precise? So when I started praying and intensified my prayers, a lot of good things started happening. Actually, miracles started happening. I found a lot of clarity. I found myself thinking more clearly. I found myself thinking objectively. I found myself reaching out. I started spreading my contacts and reaching out to people and doing my network with my ex-bosses, with my colleagues, with the people, stalwarts in the industry. And lo and behold, things happened on the day, on the time, on the moment Guruji specified. So my feelings and my trust with Guruji was cemented. Having said that, I would say, after analyzing and when the feeling sank in, I must say one thing, is that this was no ordinary coincidence. What happened was, not only did I get a job when I had none, when I was without one, but I got a better job, which means a better designation, better pay packet, and better perks. The icing on the cake was the fact that this company was headquartered in Chennai, and the beauty of the whole thing was, my job required me to be based out of Mumbai. which means I didn't have to disturb my family. Children's education will carry on. Wife's career continues. So that was the best part of. And the bonus consideration was that I had to come to Chennai very frequently because it's a Chennai company. So my interaction with Guruji increased, and as a result, I could know him much better. I realized very soon that he was just not a professional astrologer. He was a visionary, because I saw in him the leadership qualities and the traits that only a leader will have. It's like he built, I know the story of how he built the temple at Madambakam, how it became successful. And from a very small scale of, having thatched roofs and open gaushalas and various other things, from a barren land to what it is now, the change is metamorphosis. It has to be seen to be believed. We have now the gaushalas, we have the annadanams which is done, free medicals, free supply of milk to the villages, and so many other things that we do in the temple. Okay, and I have to tell you that this incident changed my life forever. So I reached level 2 of getting into the temple and its activities. The activities in the temple were very simple and very done very religiously. It was like conducting havans. It was annadanams and other things. So I got an opportunity, since because of my travel I got the opportunity professionally as well as personally. I had visited the temple 2-3 times for the Aradhanas also. I saw the service which is being done. It blew my mind. So I would say we requested the Mumbai patrons, a group full of 20 of us requested Guruji that please let us have an annual event in Mumbai also, because it is not possible for all of us to come to Chennai all the time during Sadhguru's Aradhna, which is conducted between December and January. And Guruji readily agreed, and he said we'll do one annual event of a Havan every year in the month of February. So we all were very excited and got down to working on it. And what happened was, this particular activity which was created in terms of conducting an annual Havan in Mumbai got all the Mumbai patrons together unanimously. So we all started getting busy with performing and doing a seva selflessly for Sadhguru and Guruji. Now that got us into level 3. That got me into level 3 of the association. I got involved in the trust. So the trust had various functions which were happening, and through that it served the service to the trust through Guruji and for the Gurunatha gave me a deep sense of satisfaction. And I must tell you that through this activity of selfless seva, it got all the patrons of Mumbai together, and we felt so good and so happy. It was almost like a picnic for all of us, and a family festival of a wedding or a happiness festival where all of us are bonded for the next 2-3 days, not bothered about work and the tensions and the hassles of the city that it gives us. We were only concentrating on the seva and to make it successful. This got us into one more level of the next level of providing seva to the people selflessly. So every time my association with Guruji was that, it was primarily for guiding me through my professional career, the steps that I had to take, and the directions to follow, the spirituality I have to maintain, The religious inclinations, of course, was there, grounded, and thanks to my mom that I had already imbibed a lot of things from her because of her association with Chinmaya Mission from my childhood. Okay. And thanks especially for my wife for having found her guru in Guruji Kevalan Sharma, and also involving me in my trust, which I was very apprehensive about as I was non-committant. And then slowly, when I saw a good amount of people with good heart and good intentions working for this project, I just gave my inhibitions away and completely surrendered in doing the seva. So in a nutshell, I would say I would like to summarize the entire situation in such a way that the association has given me a sense of balance through spirituality. One. Secondly, being of service to the trust gives me an immense sense of satisfaction and gratification. Third, the Havans that we conducted in Mumbai taught us all one common point is to surrender to the Gurunatha and have faith in him completely, because every beginning 1 month or 2 months before the Havan began in Mumbai, we were at zero level and our target was 5 to 7 lakhs and sometimes even 10 lakhs. But we did it. Guruji constantly kept guiding us and we achieved all those targets. Fourth is that the Sanctum Sanctorium at Madambakam Temple is a place to be visited and not missed, because it is the only temple in India which has shrine for all the 18 Siddhars who govern the 9 planets. And it gives me a deep sense of serenity and peacefulness. The next point is that Guruji always takes pain in teaching each one of us and excelling in the job that we do through his personal guidance. It's hand-holding for that moment and for that time. He tells us what is to be done exactly to excel. Now, if we take that same into a professional life, it works so much better for us. And last but not the least, I would say that it has connected me with so many beautiful souls working for this trust and for the temple and for Gurunatha and for Guruji and for the benefit of mankind. I'm really blessed. I would like to end my Thanksgiving speech with a big thank you. Sadguru Sharanam. This is Subramani Iyer from Mumbai. Thank you.